Now, inductive effect. What is the definition? The polarity produced in a molecule as a result of higher electronegativity of one atom or group compared to another is termed as inductive effect. Suppose you will take one example where the carbon atom, this is a carbon chain which is linked to a halogen atom, and there is a polarity develops between the carbon and the halogen atom, and the carbon becomes delta positive, halogen becomes delta negative because there is a electronegative difference occurs and halogen is more electronegative than that of a carbon. And another important point is that effect also transferred from the rest of the carbon atom. When the distance between the halogen and second carbon atom increases, then the effect is also decreases. See here, if the effect is more, the positive effect is more in case of carbon 1, then when you move from carbon number 2, the distance increases, means effect decreases, again carbon number 3 and up to carbon number 4. After carbon number 3, it becomes diminishes. Okay. Next is inductive effect is a permanent effect occurs in the molecule, and there are two types of inductive effect. One is your positive inductive effect, another is negative inductive effect. Now, when the positive inductive effect arises, this arises due to the presence of electron releasing or electron donating groups. Which groups are electron donating groups? Such groups are atoms which releases electron towards the carbon atom. Suppose, for example, if you see, this is the decreasing order of strength of positive inductive effect. See here, this is a carbon to which 3 methyl groups are attached. So these are the electron donating groups which releases or donates electron to this carbon atom. This is the tertiary carbon atom. Again, when you see secondary carbon atom, 2 methyl groups donates carbon electron to the carbon atom. Again here, one primary carbon atom, 1 methyl group, and here there is no other such groups. So when you will see the number of electron donating groups or releasing groups are more to the carbon atom, the electron density also becomes more on carbon atom, and hence the positive inductive effect is more. Okay. Similarly, what is negative inductive effect? Minus I effect arises due to the presence of electron withdrawing groups. Withdrawing groups means such atoms or groups which attract electron from the carbon atom towards itself. See here, in this case, halogen attracts electron from the carbon towards itself. So this halogen group here acts as electron withdrawing groups. Some examples of groups are there in which they shows the negative inductive effect. The decreasing order of strength of negative inductive effect is your alkyl nitrogen. This is the order. Actually, this is the decreasing order of different groups which shows minus I effect. Okay. Now, another important note is CH bond is considered as a non-polar covalent bond due to similar electronegativity of both the atoms. That means in between carbon and hydrogen, because the electronegative difference is very, very less, carbon having 2.4, hydrogen is having 2.1, so the electronegative value is very, very less. Okay, that is why it is considered as a non-polar covalent bond.